Hi guys, let's practice some puffy dots before we start with our project. We will also be practicing some tiny dots with gold. I am making some straight lines using my regular pencil and a ruler. For practice dotting, I'm choosing gold and orange cone. Since the cone is sitting in my box for a few hours, paint gets dry at the tip and I have to pinch the tip to clear the clog. You also need to cut the tip slightly if you are starting with a new cone. Please practice with me and make tiny dots very close to each dot. Also, try to stay in a straight line. Keep practicing until you get a straight line. While working with the cone, you should feel a stretch on your thumb, this part, so you know you are doing good. I would like to show you from a different angle too. Let's practice some puffy dots with a different paint. Because metallic and pearl paint does not work for puffy dots. They only make good tiny dots. I'm using an orange cone and making a straight line of dots that's increasing in size gradually. I'm simply using my thumb to squeeze the cone. Make the pressure as needed. I'm now on a medium-sized dot and moving my cone in a circular motion and not squeezing at one spot. If I don't move my hand in circular motion, I will end up making a really high peak mountain, which will not look pretty. After I make a bigger size, I'm now decreasing the size of my dots. Guys, this is a really good practice so you can make a beautiful spring collection of your own. Let's practice some more puffy dots with different color. Guys, I would love to get your feedback. Please let me know if this is fun learning with me or difficult. For me, it takes about 5 hours to dry, and my house temperature is 78°F. It dries faster in hot weather, so it depends on your weather how much time your paint will take to dry. Please practice and post your practice picture in the comment box. Thanks for watching.